Hello everyone, this is Monali Kadambe from Gundecha Education Academy, Oshiwara. Today in EVS, we are going to learn about water we drink. Yes, it's a very interesting chapter and I have some interesting fun activities lined up for you at the end of the chapter. So let's start or let's begin. We drink water when we are thirsty and we cannot live without water. Can we? Can you think if you all can stay without drinking a single drop of water one whole day and one whole night? Of course not. You can't. So just the way we need water, animals also need water to live. All the animals, however small or big, they all need water to drink. And not just us and animals, but even plants need water to grow. Do you know one fun fact? Our body is softy, no, when we touch our body. Do you know why? Because our body is made up of lots and lots and lots of water. Yes, the blood that we have is water that we drink. Yes, isn't it interesting? And water is also required by animals and plants to live and grow. Yes, I forgot to tell you all something. Do you all know where does Mumbai get the water from? Which lakes? Think, think, think. Does anybody know? Yes, it comes from Tulsi, Vihar, Vaitarna. Yes, these are the main lakes from where water comes to Mumbai to our houses. All right. Now let's do one thing. I'm going to count till 10. I want all of you all to quickly go and get a glass of water. I'm going to count till 10. All right? Your time starts now. Don't rush because you're not going to carry a glass of water, or just ask your mamas or daddies, whoever is there, to get you a glass of water. Okay? Counting till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Wow, all of you are back. Amazing. Okay, so quickly let us do an experiment. Okay, first hold your glass of water up. If it's the glass is made of glass, then can you see the objects on the other side of the glass? That means, does the water, tell me everybody, does the water have any color? Yes, the water doesn't have any color. So remember, water has no color. Now everybody take a sip of water. Nice, take a nice big sip. Good. Does it have any taste? Is it salty? Is it spicy? Is it sweet? Of course not. It doesn't have any taste. Okay, now try smelling the water. Does it have any smell? No, it doesn't even have smell. Now, does it have any shape? If you put this water in a cup, it will take the shape of a cup. If you put this water in a bottle, it will take the shape of the bottle. So, water does not have a shape. So, what are the 4 points you're supposed to remember about water? Simple. Water does not have color, it does not have taste, it does not have smell, and nor does it have a shape. Simple? Great. Let's move forward. So water is very, very precious. All right. So what do we have to do? Save every drop of water And please don't waste any water. Turn off the tap when you're not needed. Whenever you're bathing and you put a bucket, usually do a bucket bath only and not a shower bath, because a lot of water gets wasted in a shower bath. So try and do a bucket bath. And even if you do a shower bath, it should not last for more than 2 minutes. Okay? Also, close the dripping taps because it saves thousands of liters of water. So if at all any of y'all have any taps at home which are leaking, please, please, please ask your daddies or mommies to get it repaired. Yeah, great. Another thing you can do is do not leave the tap running when you brush your teeth. You wet your brush, turn off the tap, finish brushing, and then open the tap again, because that's where you again tend to waste a lot of water. Also, what you can do in rainy season, store the rainwater for watering the plants and cleaning the floor. If you guys have a house which has a terrace, keep containers in the terrace, so whenever it rains, it will get filled, and then you can use that for your cleaning purpose at home. Wouldn't you be saving so much water? Interesting, no? So this rainy season, let's save some water and store some water. Now that the chapter is over, as I promised y'all, we have some fun activity lined up. It's called, we are going to make a bubble snake maker. Who's ready? Yes, me too. So now it's a very, very easy thing. It's a very easy activity which your mamas are going to help you do or daddies are going to help you do. All right. So all you need is a old bottle. Okay, you have a slurry bottle or whichever water bottle or cola bottle, whatever you have at home, a plastic bottle. You're going to need a duct tape. You're going to need a pair of scissors, and you're going to need some soap water. It's a very simple experiment or a simple activity you are going to do. Take the bottle, ask your mamas to cut it into half. Okay, keep the lower half aside. Take the top half where the cap is, take that side. Then take your sock, cut the sock, and put it over the bottle the way it is shown in this picture, the third image. Then dip that. You can probably seal it with a duct tape or even tie it with a rope. And then dip it in the soap water and blow, and there you have your bubble snakes. You can even make the bubble snake makers pretty interesting by adding those big eyes, and you can probably use your own creativity to make it look very exciting. Also, you can add some color, food color, to your soap water. So basically you have to use dish soap because then that is a little stronger. You can add some color to it, dip it in that and blow. So you will have colorful snakes coming out of your bubble snake makers. Interesting, right? Super. Okay. Now something you all can do. You can also do a blow painting by adding color to your water and just put the drop. So either your mamas can draw something and you can enhance it, or simply put drops of a lot of different colors and blow with the straw. Blow with the straw. You will get these amazing shapes. Then you can use your creativity to make it more amazing. So now you'll have so many fun things to do. Okay, with water, that too. Great. I hope you all enjoyed this class with me. This is Miss Monali Godambe signing off from today's online session. All of y'all stay home and stay safe. Thank you.